The quarter, eighth and 16th notes is an exercise I like to teach before I get my students playing 16th note single stroke row along with the metronome. Because as you know, some of them will struggle to play it in time. Although that's completely normal, I've noticed that these exercises are fun and help. Exercise 1, right hand only. And exercise 2, left hand only. These exercises help understand the relation between quarter and eighth notes without talking about theory. Exercise 3 is left and right hands in unison on the snare and floor tom. Remember to write down the pace they stopped at so you can help them play a bit faster in the following lesson. Then left hand on the snare and right hand on the toms, creating this nice melody. And finally, the exercise 4 has quarter, eighth and 16th notes. Another opportunity to review the whipping motion while playing the first two notes, and also to bring their attention to the different ways of playing slow or fast. The next exercise in the Fundamentals to Intermediate book is the multiple bounce row or bus row, which I don't need to talk about because it's pretty straightforward. So in the next video I'll talk about coordination 3 and why I have my students practicing coordination 3 before they learn multiple drum beats.